Yes, I'm Neal Cross. I have quite a long history in technology and finance. Originally, when I was younger, I used to write computer games, which are all about customer experience. Yeah, and I learned very early age. It's all about the customer and what they're doing. Then I spent time at businesses like Microsoft and MasterCard, and was the chief innovation officer at DBS Bank. While I was at DBS, me and my good friend David Pettit in Australia, we really wanted to help people get a single view of their finance. And that's why we set up PictureWealth, which is one of Australia's largest wealth tech platforms. And currently we have over $5 billion of funds on there. Look, innovation really isn't about technology in my mind. It's about finding problems that no one else has, solving them in a creative way that's successful. But technology can drive innovation a lot faster. I think at the moment, and for the last number of years, definitely artificial intelligence for me is the most important mega trend in innovation. And it's not just because of what you can do with the technology as a bank or a fintech company. It's the fact it's going to reshape the world. It's reshaping healthcare, it's reshaping transport and retail. And of course, if it reshapes the world, it reshapes your customers. And so the future will be very different to how banks and fintechs work with the customers today. Banks and fintechs come from opposite ends of the spectrum, yeah, and sometimes things get lost in translation. Banks tend to say, look, fintechs, they don't understand the regulation so well, they don't think about cybersecurity enough, and fintechs on their side say banks are too slow, they don't understand these new digital things. So really, if you're a bank first moving into fintech, do things like sponsor an accelerator, yeah? Get to spend time with fintech, maybe do hackathons, get to understand how they think, understand their culture. And with fintech, get to understand how to sell at that enterprise level with banks. Yeah, they're used to very professional salespeople from Oracle and IBM and Microsoft. And so be very cognizant that you're dealing with executives when you sell to a bank. Most people are focused on automation very much to remove some of that human element. When we think about how we've organized our human capital and our technology capital inside organizations, I feel we've used humans too much in jobs that robots could do, technology could do. A great example in banking is in operations. Because this computer wouldn't talk to that computer, we needed a human in there to help manage that process. So the beautiful thing around things like robotic process automation and AI means that we can take those low-value jobs out and redeploy those people to more revenue-generating roles. But at the same time, don't forget, you may be making your process cheaper, but in the customer's eyes, you're making it quicker. Customers expect straight-through processing. They expect products and services to be delivered instantly. Oh, there's so many things. I think for me, even as I would say a senior practitioner in finance and innovation, coming to an event like this, I just get to see so many things and projects that maybe I've heard of before, but I didn't know the detail or I've never heard of. And you get to speak to these people. You get to really understand those amazing tech trends and innovations. Secondly, it's really the community, so finding potential partnerships and business relationships and even suppliers as well through this event. It's a fantastic event.